Did you know your daily meals can help clean your arteries and boost circulation? Poor blood flow can lead to fatigue and even heart issues, but nature offers powerful foods to protect your arteries. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we'll reveal 5 science-backed foods that lower plaque, reduce inflammation, and keep your heart strong. Think of your arteries as your body's superhighways. When they're clogged, everything slows down. The good news? You have control, and it starts in your kitchen. Certain foods can fight plaque, soothe inflammation, and help your arteries relax for better blood flow. Let's dive into the top 5 artery cleansing foods you should add to your meals today. First up is garlic, a true giant in natural medicine. Garlic's secret weapon is a lichen, released when you chop or crush a clove. A lichen helps lower bad LDL cholesterol and prevents it from sticking to artery walls. It also makes your blood less sticky, reducing the risk of dangerous clots. Garlic relaxes blood vessels by boosting nitric oxide, which widens arteries and lowers blood pressure. Its anti-inflammatory powers protect the delicate lining of your arteries, keeping them smooth and clear. For the best results, use fresh garlic, crush it and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. Aim for 1 to 2 cloves a day, add to dressing, stir fries or roast for a milder flavor. Garlic powder works too, as long as it's pure and unsalted. Consistency is key. Make garlic a regular part of your meals. This simple habit can help keep your arteries clean and your circulation strong. Don't worry about the smell. Your heart will thank you. Modern science confirms what ancient cultures knew. Garlic is a heart hero. It's not about restriction, but about adding flavor and protection to your food. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference. Try adding garlic to your next meal and notice the benefits. Your arteries will stay flexible, and your risk of heart issues drops. Garlic is a delicious science-backed way to support your heart. Make it a staple in your kitchen. Your body's superhighways will thank you. Let's move on to the next powerhouse food. Next, let's talk turmeric, the golden spice with powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is a potent antioxidant that protects your arteries from damage. Curcumin improves the function of your blood vessel lining, helping regulate blood pressure and prevent clotting. It reduces oxidative stress, keeping your arteries flexible and healthy. Curcumin also makes artery walls too slippery for plaque to stick, stopping atherosclerosis before it starts. Like garlic, turmeric boosts nitric oxide, relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. Just 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder a day can make a difference. Add it to soups, stews, or try a golden milk latte. Always pair turmeric with black pepper. Piperine in pepper boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Turmeric is easy to add to your routine and brings vibrant color and health benefits. Protect your arteries and support circulation with this ancient, science-backed spice. Make turmeric a daily habit for a healthier heart. It's a simple, flavorful way to fight inflammation. Your arteries will stay clear and resilient. Don't forget the black pepper for maximum effect. Now, let's look at the power of healthy fats. Third on our list, omega-3 rich fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish are packed with EPA and DHA, healthy fats that fight inflammation and protect your arteries. Omega-3s lower triglycerides, reduce plaque buildup, and keep artery walls flexible. They also help stabilize existing plaque, making it less likely to rupture and cause a heart attack. Eating fatty fish keeps your blood vessels elastic and your blood pressure in check. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish per week, about 3.5 ounces per serving. Wild-caught salmon, sardines, and mackerel are top choices. Canned sardines are convenient and affordable. If you don't eat fish, try algae-based supplements for EPA and DHA. Plant sources like flax seeds and walnuts contain ALA, but your body doesn't convert it efficiently. For the best heart benefits, stick with fatty fish or algae supplements. Omega-3s also make blood platelets less sticky, reducing clot risk. This simple dietary change can dramatically improve your heart health. Add fish to salads, pastas, or enjoy grilled for a tasty meal. Healthy fats are essential for clean arteries and strong circulation. Make them a regular part of your diet. Next, let's sweeten things up with antioxidant-rich berries. Fourth, let's talk berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These colorful fruits are loaded with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect your arteries. Berries fight oxidative stress, repair artery walls, and improve blood vessel function. Regular berry consumption lowers blood pressure and boosts nitric oxide, helping arteries relax and widen. They also strengthen artery walls by supporting collagen production, making vessels more resilient. Berries prevent LDL cholesterol from oxidizing, stopping plaque before it forms. Aim for 1 cup of mixed berries daily. Add to oatmeal yogurt smoothies or salads. Frozen berries are just as nutritious as fresh, and often more affordable. Berries are nature's candy, with profound heart benefits. Make them a daily habit for stronger arteries and better circulation. Their antioxidants keep your blood vessels young and healthy. Enjoy them as a snack or dessert for a sweet heart-healthy treat. Berries are an easy, delicious way to protect your heart. Add a burst of color and health to your meals. Your arteries will thank you for this tasty upgrade. Now let's discover the benefits of liquid gold. Extra virgin olive oil. Finally, extra virgin olive oil, liquid gold of the Mediterranean diet. EVO is rich in monounsaturated fats and polyphenols, both proven to support heart health. Monounsaturated fats lower bad LDL cholesterol and may raise good HDL cholesterol, balancing your blood chemistry. Polyphenols, like oleocanthal, act as powerful anti-inflammatories, protecting arteries from damage. EVOO's antioxidants prevent LDL cholesterol from oxidizing, stopping plaque at its source. It keeps arteries smooth, flexible, and supports healthy blood flow. Use EVO as a finishing oil. Drizzle over salads, veggies, or grilled fish to preserve its nutrients. Choose oil in dark bottles and check for a recent harvest date for maximum benefits. Make EVO your primary fat source for daily heart protection. This simple switch aligns with the Mediterranean diet and supports clean arteries. EVO's flavor and health benefits make it a kitchen essential. Avoid highly processed oils. Stick with high-quality extra virgin. Your arteries will stay flexible and resilient. Add EVO to your meals for a delicious, heart-healthy boost. Small changes like this can have a big impact. Let's wrap up with how these foods can shape your heart's future. Your arteries work non-stop to keep you alive. Nourish them with the right foods. Garlic, turmeric, fatty fish, berries, and extra virgin olive oil can transform your heart health. Small daily choices add up to powerful, lasting results. Start by adding 1 or 2 of these foods to your meals this week. Notice the difference in your energy and well-being. Your heart's future is truly on your plate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for our regular uploads. Stay healthy, and remember, your heart is your engine. Fuel it wisely, and it will power you for life.